To set up the portable hotspot on Poco X7, first we need to open a settings on our device. Navigate to more connectivity options right here and enter portable hotspot. Now inside we can set up our portable hotspot right here. You'll be able to change a name for your network. Also you can add password. If you don't want any passwords, change to from security to none, and this will deactivate a password. If you want it, then you can go for one of the protocols right here, which is WPA2 and 3. If you want better protection, then you can go for the third version. We can also go for device identification, and it can be portable hotspot or a default. We can also choose a AP band, and this changes basically when you pick 2.4G. You'll get a wider range for that network, but the speed for it will be lowered. If you go for 5G, then the speed of the network will increase, but the signal might be a bit shorter. And the next thing is hide our SSID, which is a name for the network, and if you try to connect your device, then it won't be visible in the Wi-Fi network, which means you need to connect with that network manually if this option is active. Now when we have everything ready, our portable hotspot is active and you can turn it on with the switch right there. So that is basically everything.